If you have lost access to your Mirabaud account and do not have your phone number available, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Mirabaud website. Go to the official Mirabaud website. Look for the login section and click on the Forgot Password or Account Recovery link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Mirabaud in your inbox. This email will contain a link or instructions for resetting your password or recovering your account. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the instructions to reset your password. You may be asked to answer security questions or verify your identity in other ways. Step 5. Set a new password. Once you have successfully verified your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and make sure to save it securely. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Mirabaud account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Mirabaud's customer support for further assistance.